Alright, I'm at Cabella's. They allow overnight camping, but only one night. So I want to take a look at the store, see what's going on, take a lap around, and I'll put the drone up, see how that works. And while I have your short attention span, don't forget to like and subscribe. We're up here at Cabella's. Things have calmed down, so it is dinner time. Tonight, dinner will be by Zata Ranch. Red beans and rice, not a sponsor. You'll be hearing that a lot. We're adding celery, peppers, onions, my cutting board, sour cream, a little butter, and we're going to get the show on the road. All cooked in Mr. Instapot. Also not a sponsor. The ground beef, which was upgraded to ground round. I think I have more than a pound here. This will be my cutlery for the night.
Three, two, one.
Okay, low sodium, we'll live a little longer. No, I didn't bring a measuring cup, so we're going to guesstimate because I've done this a few times. I'm guessing that's 2 cups. Come on, Jay, you can do this. I'm gonna set it for 9 minutes, and like a wise man once said, set it and forget it. Oh yeah, forget my butter. Alright, the little beep you heard means it's done. So what I'm going to do is depressurize it, but I'm going to do that outside of the van. Smells good. This is a knife. Like another wise man said, it slices, it dices, guaranteed. Alright, like a wise man said, set it and forget it. And I'm going to kick back with a beer known as root beer. Is this light better? I think it is. Alright. Almost as good as beer, but it's not beer. Alright, I saw the doctor. The latest update is they did a CAT scan on Friday. They had the results this Friday, and they were no cancer. And everything else looked pretty good in there. How much radiation did I get? They did a double. They did it without contrast eye, then with. She says it's more than 1,000 X-rays each, so I'm gonna be glowing for a while. No hulkification so far, so we'll get back to the root beer, and we'll let the little cooking continue here. And like I said before, don't forget to like and subscribe. Got a little bit of that peaceful rain coming down. So it's going to get chilly. Here's my sour cream. So I got my red beans and rice, sour cream, a lot of ground beef. Not bad. Okay, still recording. Alright, this is the Stealth Camping t-shirt. There will be a link down below, and there will be also a link for Patreon. And now it's time for me to get some Z's. We'll see you all in the morning. Alright, time to get some Z's.